Back to metrics and stats to follow. Next up, you also have an option to check visitors by location. You can do it either in the visitors by country map, right here, where you can see where your visitors are coming from in terms of country, region, even city. And please remember that because of privacy, the exact location and address will not be available to you. Or you can check the latest visitors table, where you can see individual information about the visitor, including the approximate location of the user. You also have a separate section for this in statistics, visitors, countries, cities. I'm gonna go to that section. And you can see here that we have, in this example, the most visits come from the United States, and Munich seems to be one of the top cities that we get visitors from. Of course, this type of information is vital, especially if your business and website are targeted towards a specific location. Like if you own a restaurant, you would definitely focus on getting visits from the city where the restaurant is located.